Today we're going to be making birria ramen using this Tapatio. I've heard a lot of people using this one, so that's why I chose to use it. It comes with these packets here. We're going to go ahead and add them and cook the ramen first. The birria, it's been cooking for about 7-8 hours. It's all done. Let's check it out. And all we're going to do is basically shred the birria, put it in here, and we're going to give this thing a taste test. Let's see what all the fuss is about. As usual, I'm always super late to this thing. I had heard about this a couple years ago and I didn't want to try it because I thought it was kind of dumb. But give it a shot. I've tried it one time before, but I never had it with fresh birria and with this one here. So let's see what's up.
All right, so go ahead and get your packet. This is just pretty much like chili powder crushed up. And this over here is like a little bit of spices. Get the broth from your birria. See, this birria is already done. And instead of using just water and then adding the meat, you want it to taste as much as birria as humanly possible. Yes. So get a lot of scoops of this juice and go ahead and fill your little Tapatio cup till it's all the way at the top. I did end up putting a little bit of hot water, but it was maybe about half a cup, if anything. We're gonna go ahead and let this thing kind of cook together and give it a little bit of time. It's take about 2-3 minutes for it to be done, but go ahead and just close it and this will help the process cook a little quicker.
Here's the birria, guys. Super delicious birria. And if you guys don't know how to make birria, I'm gonna leave a link right up here, right there, and you'll see how to make birria the easy way. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a chunk and I'm gonna add it to my ramen. If you don't know about birria, this is just beef chuck. All right, guys, we're gonna add our meat to the ramen. Let's go. Now it's time to shred it and give it a taste.
I recommend you use some gloves when you're shredding this meat. It was extremely hot. You can see that I was struggling here to shred it apart, and I know better, but I was just so eager to try it. It's smelling so good, so delicious. So I didn't mind burning my fingers a little bit. And not just that, you gotta man up. So went ahead and just shredded all this meat, and there's a few things I forgot to add, and it's all right. I forgot my cebolla, I forgot my cilantro, and I even forgot my lemon. But honestly, I was more interested in the soup to juice to meat ratio and how it tasted. So that's what I'm doing here.
Our birria ramen's all ready. It may look good on the video, thumbnail, on pictures, but how does it actually taste? Let's find out, guys. Start off with a little bit of the noodles. Whew. Aside from it being extremely hot, it's really good. Make sure to get my smallest fork. Now let's try the birria. A little bit of noodles. Now, don't get me wrong. It's really good. I like it, but is it better than queso birria? Or queso tacos, or birria tacos, or just a birria plate on its own? Probably not, but that once in a while craving, it's pretty good. And I think if you're really into ramen, you'll probably like this a lot. So I say give it a shot. I'm still not like a major fan of it, but I'll eat it and it's pretty good. That's my opinion, that's my take. All right, guys, see you guys on the next video. I tried birria ramen, finally. I'm cool now.